Welcome everyone, our build today will be a DJ mixer and equipment. Let's take the 2x6 plate and place the 1x2 plate in the center top position. Then take the 1x2 console and place on top of the 1x2 plate. Next, take the 1x2 computer tile and place that beneath the console. Take the 2x2 round tiles with the hole and place one on the left side of the 2x6 plate and one on the right side. Take the 1x2x2 side supports and place one on the left underneath the 2x6 plate and place one on the right side. In step 2, I'll build one of these, but you'll need to build two for the completed project. Take the bar holder clip and place on top of the antenna. Take the 2x2 truncated cone and place that on the bottom of the antenna. Take the 1x2 modified plate with the bar handle and place beneath a 1x2 grill brick and place the other grill brick below that. Place the 1x2 plate beneath that and a 1x2 tile on top. Now attach the holder clip to the middle of the bar handle. Let's finish up in step 3 with the party lights. Take a weapon gun and attach any color of the 1x2 studs. Repeat that with the remaining two. Now attach a weapon gun to a 2x2 plate with the center stud. And repeat that with the remaining two. And that'll do it for our build today. Thank you everyone that has subscribed, liked, and/or shared, and I'll see you next time.